Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. If you have ever accidentally deleted important files, photos, videos, documents, or even emails, don't panic because today's video might just save the day. We are checking out a overview powerful magic data recovery by a magic soft design to recover lost, deleted, formatted, or corrupted files from your PC, USB, South Dakota cards, and more. Whether you are a student who lost an assignment, a creator missing project files, or just someone who hit delete by mistake, this tool can help you get everything back in just a few simple steps. I will walk you through the full process from downloading the software to scanning and recovering your files with a real-time demo so you can see exactly how it works. So stick around till the end and let's recover those lost files together. Demo. To get started, just click on the download button to grab the installer file. Once it's downloaded, double-click to launch the setup. The installation is super simple. Just follow the steps on the screen. It only takes a minute. When the setup is complete, open the software. You will see a clean and easy to use interface ready to help you start your recovery. As soon as it opens, you will notice all your available drives listed on the left side. For example, here we can see local disk C. This is usually your main system drive where Windows and most of the programs are installed. New volume D. This might be used for storing personal files like documents, photos, or backups. New volume E. Often used for extra storage such as videos, large projects, or media files. Take a moment to identify the drive where your data was lost. Once selected, just click on Search for Lost Data. The software will begin scanning that drive for any recoverable files. It's fast, straightforward, and completely automatic. As you can see, I had a folder on my computer that contained some important files including pictures, videos, Word documents, and PDFs. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted the entire folder. And to make things worse, I even emptied the recycle bin, so now it's completely gone. Let's see if we can recover it using Magic Data Recovery. Now I am back in the Magic Data Recovery software. I will select the same drive where the data was originally deleted. As you can see, the software has completed the scan and detected the deleted folders. One great feature of Magic Data Recovery is that it offers two powerful search options. You can locate your files either by file's path or by file type, making it much easier to find exactly what you are looking for. Even in large or complex recording, one handy feature is the image preview site. Right, for formats like PNG and JPG, you can actually view the file before recovering it so you know exactly what you are restoring. Next, I choose a location where I want to save the recovered files. Select the Recover button. That's all it takes. The selected files are now being restored to the folder I selected. And as you can see, all of my data has been successfully recovered. Photos, videos, documents, everything is back and working perfectly. And that's how easy it is to recover permanently deleted files using Magic Data Recovery. Magic Data Recovery truly impressed me with how fast, simple, and effective it is. Whether you are recovering deleted photos, important documents, or even lost videos, this tool handles it all with ease. It's definitely one of the best free recovery solutions out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on useful updates. The download link is available in the video description below. Check it out and give it a try for yourself. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.